Have you been wondering where the child seat restraints are in the Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to be pointing out where the child seat restraints are in a 2008 Toyota Corolla. Now, like many cars of this age, they have been fitted with the Isofix fit-in points, which I'll point out in a second. Now you can actually get 3 child seats in the back here. It's a bit tight, but you actually only have 2 sets of Isofix mounts, so the middle one always has to be done by a seat belt. So I'll just point out mine. So you can see back of my seat there has the Isofix mount, which is clipped in there. And obviously we've still got a top mount which goes around the back of the headrest. Now what I'll actually do is I'll go over the other side and I'll show you a little bit clearer without a car seat in position. Okay, so it's a bit clearer looking over this side of the car, and you can actually just see these 2 labels here, one there and one there, saying Isofix. Now directly below those there is actually just a bar that you can see there, and that bar is actually where you're going to put your Isofix mount on. And just to point that out, on my seat you can see the Isofix mount goes straight at the back onto that bar, and it also goes green once it's got a good connection. Now like I say, you can get quite a small child seat in the middle, but you do have to use this seat belt and it can't be an Isofix one. For both types of seat you'll also have a top tether, and they are found just below these caps there. And what you need to do is actually just raise the headrest up by pushing that button in and lifting it up. You need 2 hands, and then you can easily get to that top tether point. And you can just see there my finger's going straight through it. That's how your top tether clip will go. If you are having any problems, just leave me a message down below in the comments section and I'll try and help you out. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up and check out some of my other videos.